Racing just is started. We have Grand Dynasty. Break quickly at the start. Haha. Moving up on the outside. Alexandrina Kinford. Then in the middle portion comes Sweet Kid. Next online rain shower. Take Me Tonight. Petrus Blanc. And on the outside now is Gold Baron. And going along for the first turn we have Grand Dynasty. And by about 4 lengths. Alexandrina wins second. Down on the inside now is Sweet Kid. Alongside comes Kinford. Next online is Rain Shower. Haha, My Heart's Delight. Then moving up on the outside, Take Me Tonight. Petrus Blanc in the middle, Gold Baron. Hoy Makati, while Marnelli now racing in 12 inside the 3 octavo. We have Grand Dynasty still in control, maintaining a length and a half lead. Coming closer in second is Alexandrina. Moving up on the outside now is Rain Shower. Sweet Kid is running by the rail. And Diana entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Alexandrina, followed by Grand Dynasty. Rain Shower rushing up on the outside as they swing for home with Alexandrina. Moving up on the outside is Rain Shower, but it's still Alexandrina. Rain Shower is on the outside. Alexandrina, Rain Shower is on the outside, and finally it's going to be Alexandrina. Rain Shower, Sweet Kid, close Grand Dynasty. Then comes Take Me Tonight and Petrus Blanc.